All right, welcome back guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically on this video, we are talking about can you use the Cash App at an ATM or to pull out cash. So let's go ahead and talk about this. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. Here it is right here. Again, I'm going to assume that you've already downloaded the Cash App. If not, be sure to click the description and there is a link below. All right, so we went ahead and opened up the Cash App. So can you use the Cash App at an ATM? Kind of. You can sort of use it at the ATM, but you're gonna need to go through a couple of different steps. So the app itself, you can't use at the ATM to pull cash out. But what you can do is you can actually order a Cash App cash card and have that sent to you. You usually get it in about 7 to 14 days. I got mine in 7 days. So be sure to check the other video. I go through the informational on how to order this Cash App cash card. But once you get this Cash App cash card in the mail, yes, you can go to an ATM and withdraw money at the ATM. Let me go ahead and just go over a quick rundown of how you would do that. So again, this is just assuming that you've already got this in the mail, you've already activated. If not, go back and watch the videos. And then once you've done that, then you can go to the ATM and pull cash out from your Cash App balance through the ATM. So real quick, what you want to do is go here to the profile settings. And then once you are here, you want to scroll down to cash card. So mine is deactivated. If yours is deactivated as well, then no, you cannot use this at the ATM. So before you go to the ATM, make sure that it's activated. So all you do to activate it, just click right there. I'm gonna verify with my thumbprint, and that's it. So as long as once you go into the settings, it says cash card activated, and then you're available to use your cash card at the ATM. There is a second step. You might have already set up the PIN number. If you have not, then you do need to set up the PIN number, and all you're gonna do is scroll down a little bit further to right here where it says privacy, and that is where you will be able to set up your PIN number. So click in there. And then once you're in the privacy setting on the profile settings portion of the app, just scroll down. And then right there towards the bottom, change cash PIN or set up cash PIN. Just go through the prompts on that. So mine is set up with a thumbprint, so I'll do that. And then here is where you can set up your PIN number or change your PIN number. If you don't have an iPhone, then you're going to end up getting a text message or an email with a code. You'll need to verify the code. Once you verify the code, then you can set up the PIN number. I'm not going to change my PIN number. I've already set it up to something that's easy for me to remember, but that's where you would change your PIN number if you don't remember it or if you haven't set it up. So there you have it. So those are the steps to make sure that your Cash App cash card is ready to go to the ATM. Once you set both of those up, then yes, all you're going to do is just take this card to any ATM that would accept Visa debit, and then yeah, you can just pull cash right out of your balance with this card. Now, as far as fees go, when you're using the Cash App cash card at an ATM, just make sure that you know that Cash App doesn't charge a fee to pull money out of the debit card that they sent to you at the ATM, but whatever bank that you use, they will charge a fee. They do charge a fee usually. I don't really know if there's any free ATMs anymore unless you bank with them. For example, I bank with Chase. If I go to the ATM, Chase ATM, and I use this, Cash App's not going to charge me a fee, but I know that Chase is going to charge me a fee. I think they charge $3, maybe $5, something like that. So just be aware of that if you're going to be using this at the ATM, because that's going to deduct from your balance and you're going to end up seeing that as a transaction. So it's probably not really that great to use it at the ATM just because of that fee that the other bank is going to charge you. But hey, I know sometimes there's an emergency or sometimes you just need the cash. So yeah, that's cool that it's available if you want to pull money off of your Cash App with the debit card at the ATM. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, to answer the question, yes, you can use the Cash App at the ATM, but you do need to get the Cash App cash card. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. Hopefully this video was informational, and I hope you subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching.